Love him or hate him, you have to admit at this point, and if you cannot admit this, you are delusional, that Haiden Deegan is the best 250 rider right now, with just the pure stats alone. The two-time Super Motocross World Champion of 23-24, the two-time Pro Motocross Champion of 24 and 25, the 2025 West Supercross Champion, Rookie of the Year awards, and soon to be 450 rider. He has proven throughout his time in the 250s to be fast, consistent, just a guy that every single weekend is going to go out, he's going to be up at the front, and he's going to be a competitor. But he's also got the other side of things. The stuff that, they always praise Cooper Webb about, the head games, the little bit of motivation stuff. And in a recent interview with Weege, he was asked about the trash talk and why and what he does it for, and he said, quote, "I don't think people understand. They think I'm this a-hole kid. I have to be, because it's what motivates me. I have the money and the rich parents and stuff, so I need something to make me work hard." And you got to say, that's a really, it doesn't sound humble, but really, when you think about it, it's a pretty mature way of looking at things. He has everything he could ever want already. Between the Lambo he's already bought, he's got millions of dollars, rich parents. He could have said, you know what, I'm going to live off my parents. I'm going to do something easy. I'll do social media. I'll do, whatever it could have been. But instead, he's out here working hard. Going out and racing motocross is not going to be the glamorous, easy thing. It's 2 races in the middle of summer, in the heat, getting roosted, getting dirt everywhere. It's not exactly just go out and have fun. It's hard work. It's training. It's time on the bike at the practice facility. And it's one of those things that I think in the interview he was talking about, or they were talking about how a lot of people like training as they race, having a Saturday race kind of look like or feel like a training day. And he was talking that, he doesn't train as hard as he races. So you have to have something to get you going, I guess. And if you're going to be talking as much trash as he does, if you came out, if he talked like he did and he came out and finished 10th, it would look ridiculous. It would be just an absolute joke, laughing stock. There's, it wouldn't even matter. But the fact that he can talk the trash, he can come out and back it up, he's winning championships, he's winning races, he's winning overalls, he's proving that even though he was born with money, with the rich parents and the stuff and, everything that comes along with it, he's put in the time and the work and the training to be good at this sport. So, you gotta say, yes, are people gonna hate him for his whole career? Definitely. Just because of his name, because of the fact he came from money, it doesn't really change much one way or the other. People are gonna hate him. I personally think it's great. I like people with personalities. The cardboard cutout people who win a race and go up and say, "I'd like to thank this sponsor and that sponsor and this sponsor," and then it's all you get. Nah, man, I want some rivalries. I want some competition that's, more than just winning a race. It's, I want to beat this person. So I'm just gonna leave this here. Tell me in the comments below, are you excited to see him in 450s? Are you excited for the SMX playoffs coming up? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.